He just purposely falls off.
I think this is where I'm supposed to get butt.
I think that was put on.
I think that's where you're supposed to get butt.
He just climbs right on.
Okay?
How about we go off this way?
Don't rip her clothes off. You lady killer, you.
You gonna lay down by me? You gonna lay down beside me? You gonna get on my neck? Oh, get up, get up.
He's like, you're a human saddle. That's what he thinks.
Oh, she goes again.
Oh, he's like, nope, I'm done.
Guys, they're making me sleepy.
I'm sorry, our entertainment's putting you to sleep.
Yeah, it's pretty comical to me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah,